What's up, guys? We are going camping again. We're doing a little one-nighter. We're in the dirt bike. I got this little 70 action going. If you guys seen from the Moonrock video. Guys, so we haven't posted in a while. We've been busy, you know, getting poison oak. You guys can't tell. But the next 3 weeks or 2 weeks are going to be a video each week, guys. So stay pumped up for that. But we're going to start this day off with a nice little dirt bike camp trip. A little night cook and a little bit of dirt bike action in the sunset and stuff. So just stay tuned. It's going to be a great trip. And let's get into the action, guys. To strip off, I have almost no gear in this thing. Done some maintenance items on the old rig. And if you look in here, got a sleeping bag and a speaker. That's about all I need. Beautiful evening. Here we got Eli leading up the pack. Colin's back there. Yeah.
Make another beat.
Oh, Walmart! We need something for the vlog, buddy. What just happened?
Landon was dragging a stick on his axle and it fucked his e-brake up.
Fucking thing was smoking. I was like, what's that smell?
Truck's totaled now, so.
Totaled. Okay, first tree down in the way. We have to cut it. We have to get through. So here's Eli. Dinner coming right up. Got dinner cooking up on the grill. What do you have to say?
We got that charcoal rub on there, straight for Bass Pro recommendation. It's gonna be a good ass dinner tonight. So, I was at Bass Pro, right? There was this 12-year-old kid there. Got a job. He's working hard. Like, don't even know what the fuck he's doing. He's just standing around, right? And he was right by the seasonings, and I was right by the seasonings. So I asked him. I was like, all right, you give me the best seasoning you fucking got. You know what he fucking gives me? Fucking charcoal. Charcoal rub.
And is it good, Colin?
It is the best seasoning I've ever had.
Colin's over there licking it.
I was eating it off the damn plate.
Early morning, boys. Saw's out. Guns are out. See if this baby starts. She's close right there.
Let's see here.
Yeah. Right by the old homestead right there.
I was about to bring it back and cook it for breakfast, but I felt nice. It was a very pretty fish, and I gave it back to the earth.
Awesome.
Cooking with Colin here. We have some beautiful Thomas English muffins. Turkey bacon's cooking up right now, and Landon's eating an apple. Cook up. We're gonna use the rocks around the fire as the cooking material for this.
Are you?
I don't know. I should probably flip this. It's been on.
The little brisket thing.
Can do a tune-up. Holy fuck, that's hot.
Oh, yeah, just dump the only food that we have on fucking food.
Guys, we're gonna get some fishing action going in here. Definitely drop a comment if you guys like the new setup. We got a little bit of different setup today. We got a little bit of camera footage this time, which is great because I can kind of walk around and, you know, do my thing, and I can show you guys along here, you know, especially with my inconsistency of filming. It's gonna get better, guys, but Eli over here caught a fish like you guys saw earlier in the clip, and I'm bringing the pole down. We're gonna get some fishing going. Eli's in the creek.
He's like, fuck you, man. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, he swims. His tail's like a little fish.
Everyone hype him up in the comments. Yeah, woo! That called? Oh, yeah, I know that's called. Oh, wheelie? Second wheelie? Full scrub? calling here. Put out. Slam. Okay, I got this tiny little track here. It's very small. I'm supposed to go around the tree. Okay, whatever, man, whatever. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit, Eli. This guy's the best ride I've ever seen.
Landon on the 140.
Yeehaw, cowboy.
You
do.
need more speed. Get in there. Yeah. Here comes Uncle CG. Oh.
Uncle CG.
What just happened? Explain to the viewers.
Went around this corner, gave it a little pepper, thought she was gonna spin a little bit. It hooked and, you know, sent me a little bit that way, but that's okay.
Click.
Whoa.
Come on, boys. Keep her on too. Yeah, boys. Oh.
Best form of transportation.
Yeah, it is. I don't want to walk.
Oh, he's ripping. Holy shit. He's ripping that little bike. Oh. Watch out for that bush. I think you guys got a stick. Oh, I was trying to miss that one. I hit that one.
Made some waterfall here. Beautiful views, beautiful scenery. Almost fell in on the rock climb up here.
Yeah, it was pretty sketchy.
B5. Pedestrians jumping off this rock right now.
Where you going? This is like a V3. No? How are we feeling?
Good.
Okay, just make it back from the, white nice waterfall here. Gonna cook up some nice ramen with my bent unit here. Nice ramen ripping up. We got our little trails right there. Dirt bikes are out. Just having a great old time, man. Stir her up. Oh yeah. Okay, here goes Colin. No way. There it is. Yeah! Okay.
Yeah, I took a pretty hard fall on the pit bike. Did a little launch to basically sliding, and then the bike died, and I fell pretty hard on my side. And yeah, and now I'm gonna get in this probably 20-degree water right now, and it's fucking cold. Oh. We're gonna go to a restaurant that our viewers recommended. I'll pop a comment up right about here. We're gonna go to this place in Alta. They said to go stop by, so we're gonna go see how it is. What do you think about that, Eli?
They got some pretty good food. I'll give it to them.
Here we are. Okay, guys, we're listening to our followers today. We're out here eating at Hangry Howies here.
Yep, Hangry Howies.
We're got a nice burger going. I got a nice soda going. Shout out to this guy again, right here. I just like this comment's gonna be right here.
These comments right there.
And we're trying. Okay, guys, just got the food. Eli, how we doing? Look at that. Burnt to a crisp with the HH. I just